Information governance and records retention are pressing challenges for every organization. This is especially true for those in information-intensive fields like banking and financial services, pharmaceutical and life science, or engineering. And keeping pace is often a labor-intensive process that can leave executives uneasy at the potential risk. How can you gain control? One way is by using Versatile Retention, a complete retention schedule management and compliance research solution that gives organizations complete control over their information governance and data compliance efforts. For years, users have relied on Versatile Retention, our on-premise solution, as the most robust retention schedule solution available on the market. Now, VR SaaS provides a cloud-based deployment model in addition to a number of new and important expanded capabilities and features. Perform comprehensive research and take advantage of automatic updates of records retention requirements in over 130 countries worldwide. Rely on secure reporting and complete audit history of all schedule changes and security controls. Leverage easy system integration with other commonly used business information databases as well as popular online content repository services. And make use of our intuitive search engine for comprehensive research, for citations and up-to-date data on any country at any time. Keeping pace with changing information governance requirements just got easier with VR SaaS, the most robust cloud-based retention schedule solution available. Find out more at Zazio.com, that's ZASIO.com, or call 1-800-513-1000.